Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking at how you can create an area chart in ThinkCell. So an area chart in ThinkCell is just what we can refer to as a stacked line chart. So to insert it, you will come to this chart and you have it here. So we select the stacked area chart and we place it on our slide. Then we can customize. So we can see the series of improvements that take place in our product development. So we have product A, product B, and product C. And we are starting from 2020. So we have just populated our data sheet. And if we look at the chart, you can see the kind of progress that has taken place in the product development for products A, B, and C over the years. So this is the kind of chart that we can use to demonstrate this. So as you can see, there is a steady progression for both product A, product B, and product C. Though there is sometimes a fall, but there is constant improvement through the years. So this kind of chart helps us visualize this, and we can customize by right-clicking, and we can add point labels, for example, as you can see here. We can also add total labels if we want to. So you can see for each of these years, we have the totals. There are still many other options that we have. For example, when you right-click, you can change the theme to another kind of theme. If we click on this axis, we can make adjustments here. We also can click on the axis, right-click on it, and add title. We can call this development cycle or development rate. And here we can also click on the x-axis here. So we may decide to click on the x-axis if we want to also add title. But for now, let's just leave it like this. There are several kinds of customizations that we can make if we want to. We can change the color here to any color of our choice. So these are just the things I want to show you about the tricks you can use to build your area chart as well as customize it. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.